handle as to what's going on in the commodities universe as well. Ashesha is here with more details. And Ashesha, seeing a bit of a drop in gold prices.
Absolutely. In fact, let's start off with the precious metals space first. Gold prices continue to decline. In fact, it has touched that $1,700 per ounce mark for the first time since July 2022. Rising dollar and interest rate hikes by global central banks is the primary reason why gold prices continue to fall. We also have silver prices which continue to decline. They are at the lowest levels that we saw since June 2020. In fact, copper prices also continue to decline. Copper prices on London Metal Exchange fell almost 2.6% to settle at that 7,597 per dollar mark, and it reported fifth consecutive monthly loss, the longest downward streak since 2008 financial crisis. Growth worries and fears of recession are the primary reasons why copper prices also continue to decline. Let's also shift focus to base metals then. Aluminium and zinc prices continue to decline. Lockdown in some cities of China is the reason why base metal prices also continue to decline. In fact, aluminium declined almost 2.7% to the lowest levels that we have seen since April 2021, and zinc also had third consecutive day of decline. Talking about Brent crude, it also continues to fall. Increased supply of crude globally and global growth fears are the primary reasons why Brent crude also continues to fall. Talking about natural gas, this in fact gains for the second consecutive day above normal temperatures with boosted cooling demand, and overall higher European gas prices is the primary reason why natural gas prices continue to trend upwards.
And Antique has also initiated coverage on none other than Patanjali with a buy rating. Ashesha, why is there sudden bullishness on Patanjali? Give us the highlights from the Antique note.
Yes, so they've initiated coverage with a buy rating. They've given a target price of 1,725 rupees per share, indicating a 43% premium for the current market price. In fact, they say that it is well positioned on its way to be a diversified FMCG and FMHG focused company with widely recognized brands across the value chain. Patanjali is expanding consumer offering premium products and foraying into new as well as emerging categories. They also say that they are poised to deliver robust performance over FY22-24 period with revenue growth of about 22% and net profit growth of as much as 49%. Food portfolio acquisition is adding to growth levers. In fact, the report also says that they are valuing the company at 35 times FY24 EPS while giving a buy rating with a target price of 1,725 rupees per share. They expect Patanjali Foods revenue to grow up about 22% over FY22 to 24 period on a CAGR basis, driven by strong growth in FMCG business and 13% CAGR in their oil business. In fact, they also say that over the medium to long term, oil business volume growth to remain stable at about 4 to 5%. So for now, they've given a target price of about 1,725. 45% upside is what Antique is betting on as far as Patanjali Foods is concerned.
And that stock active in trade today, 3.5% is where it's currently at.